Man, the craziest thing happened to me yesterday. So, here's my family boat here with 97 Larson. Pretty good boat. But, see here, we just got a new engine. And yesterday, we took it out to Lake Conroe, about 30 minutes north of our house. And I don't know, there was like a choppy part of water or something. I don't really know. And so I think we hit something, but just something else. So it's like we're driving there, we're trying to look for the boat ramp, and my family didn't listen to me because they said the boat ramp's right there. And of course, so here's the thing. Lake Conroe, back in the 60s when they were cutting down trees to flood it, it was, they didn't get all the trees, so some are floating like a couple feet under the surface, unmarked. So it's like, I'm assuming we hit one of those logs because there are scuff marks on the bottom of the engine. It's covered right now. I won't mess with that, but yeah, I don't know. I really don't know what happened. We hit there. We're stuck there for like 3 hours. We had to call this tow guy to come to our boat. The only one in the lake, kind of highway robbery. We had to pay $900 to tow, get it to the shore. I mean, seriously, dude, it's a boat. Don't you want to just be nice or stranded? I mean, Mercury better pay for this. It's the brand of the engine. Wake up. Pretty decent boat. There. I'm up. Yeah, I was just sitting back here. I mean, yeah, that's what happened. Like, I mean, it's just like, that's crazy. Mercury better pay for this.